How do we say, don't worry, in Waray? We need two words to come up with a sentence. First word, ayaw. 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 Say it with me, ayaw. Ayaw means don't. The second word is kabaraka. 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 Let's say it together. Kabaraka. It means worry. Now, we will put the two words together. Ayaw kabaraka. Ayaw kabaraka. Ayaw kabaraka. Now, we will use it in 3 sentences. First sentence, ayaw kabaraka, bubuligan ko ikaw. Ayaw kabaraka, bubuligan ko ikaw. Again, ayaw kabaraka, bubuligan ko ikaw. It means, don't worry, I'm going to help you. The second sentence is, ayaw kabaraka, diri ko ikaw babayaan. Ayaw kabaraka, diri ko ikaw babayaan. Say it with me. Ayaw kabaraka, diri ko ikaw babayaan. It means, don't worry, I'm not going to leave you. The third sentence is, ayaw kabaraka, kaya mo itong. Again, ayaw kabaraka, kaya mo itong. Let's say it together. Ayaw kabaraka, kaya mo itong. It means, don't worry, you can do it. Kunta man nakabulig ini sa inyong tutorial, nga mapabulig at liwat kunta, nga tumubo man na ako channel, pwede mag-subscribe. Salamat!